Welcome back everyone. Now we are going to see that what is kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte, yottabyte. Okay, so what we mean with that? Well, once and for all, let's clear this forever so that we learn this thing and never get confused again that what is kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte and all that kind of things. So in the computer, kilo is not just 1000. Well, everything is work in the binary and it's in the power of the twos. So surely it cannot be the zeros ending with the zeros. So what we are having, let's start with the very beginning. 2 to the power 0, which is equals to 1. 2 to the power 1, which is equals to 2. 2 to the power 2, which is equals to 4. 2 to the power 3 is equals to 8. 2 to the power 4, which is equals to 16. 2 to the power 5 is equals to 32. 2 to the power 6 is equals to 64. 2 to the power 7, that is equals to 128. 2 to the power 8 is equals to 256. 2 to the power 9 is equals to 512, and I'm changing the color. 2 to the power 10 is equals to 1024, that is KB, kilobyte. This is called as kilo. These are the bytes that we are having. Well, for the clarity, let me tell you one more thing. Okay, so a bit that we have studied, 0 or 1. 4-bit is 1 byte. 2 byte is 1 word. Well, for the memory purpose, you can remember it like this way. Like when I say 4-bit or 1 byte, it means 4 spaces. 1 byte means 4 spaces, and 2 byte means 4 double spaces that we are having. So this way, this is a word. So just the names, nothing else, nothing much about that, but we are going to see this name again and again and again and again and again. So you must know this thing. When you hit the 10, you change the name. That's it. Like when you hit 2 to the power 20, that is mega. When you hit 2 to the power 30, that is giga. 2 to the power 40, that is Tera, and so on. So we are going to see these words, and actually we use these words in every single day. Day-to-day life, we use 512 megabyte or 10 gigabyte, or my hard disk is currently 2 terabytes. So these are the things that we are talking about. If my hard disk is 2 terabyte, it means 2 multiply 2 to the power 40, that is 2 terabyte, or 2 to the power 41, that is 2 terabyte. 2 and tera, so 2 terabyte, this is what it means. Well, let's practice it a little bit. Of course you need to remember these things in the subject, because we're not going to see in a book or everywhere or anywhere. We are not going to say that I am having 2 to the power 10 bit of something. I'm going to say I have 1 KB. That is simple. So that's why we are learning these units, and as a engineer, as a microprocessor engineer or digital electronics engineer or computer science engineer, or any way that you would like to call yourself, a techie, you have to understand that what it means. It can process 1224 bits. It can have 2 to the power 20 bits. It can have 2 to the power 40 bits. This way you have to understand that many combinations is possible. That much combination is possible. That's what we mean with the bit and the byte and the giga and the mega. Okay, let's practice it a little bit. Like let's say I'm having 2 to the power 13. So what it actually means? Well, try it for yourself and then I'm going to discuss every of the answer. The second question is, what is 2 to the power 24? What is 2 to the power 42? Well, let's practice with this much. I think we are going to understand this quite clearly. 2 to the power 10 multiply 2 to the power 3. Just clear distinction. 10 plus 3 is 13. So we have just expanded it. 10 is mega and 2 to the power 3 is 8. So 8 megabyte. Now in this one we are going to have 2 to the power 4 multiplied to the power 20. So 2 to the power 4 is 16. 16 and to the power 20 is obviously, okay, this is kilo. Yeah, if you have written the kilo, be happy. I just murmured it up so that I was watching that how much you have progressed. So 16 mega. This is mega. And now, but with this one, 2 to the power 40 multiply 2 to the power 2. As you can see, if you remember this, this is very easy. In the tens, we use kilo, 20 mega, 30 giga, and 40 tera. So here, our answer is tera. So 4 terabyte. I skipped the giga here. Well, I hope that with my this silly mistake that I intently made, you are going to remember now that what is kilo, mega, giga and tera. Well, why to leave the gigabyte? Let's impress it that one too. Let's write 31. That is 2 to the power 30 multiply 2 to the power 1. So 2 to the power 1 is obviously 2 and 2 to the power 30 is a giga. So 2 giga, gigabyte. These are the units. I hope that with my intention of making the mistake get successful you, because now you are going to remember forever that I made this first one mistake and you are not going to remember the wrong thing. You are going to remember the right